Car secrets to make your AC blow twice as cold. Does your car's AC feel weak even on max? What if I told you there are 20 hidden secrets that can make your AC blow twice as cold, without expensive repairs or fancy gadgets? Some of these tricks cost nothing. Others can save you thousands in the long run. Stick with me till the end, because the last hack might bring your AC back from the dead. And hey, if you love saving money on car care, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss future tips. Section 1. Quick fixes you can do today. 1. Rear defroster plus AC combo. Here's a trick hardly anyone knows. Turn on your rear defroster along with the AC on humid days. This clears moisture faster, meaning the air coming through the vents is drier, colder, and your windows won't fog up. 2. Clean vents with dryer sheets. Dust builds up on your vents like magnets. Wipe them with a dryer sheet once a month. It cuts static so dust doesn't stick again, and leaves your cabin smelling fresh. And if you think that's simple, the next one is a total game changer for your airflow. 3. Foaming cleaner or steam treatment. Instead of wasting money on vent gadgets, grab a $10 foaming AC cleaner or a steam cleaner. Spray it into the vents and let it work. It kills hidden bacteria, removes odors, and instantly boosts airflow. Section 2. Cooling efficiency hacks. 4. Ceramic window tint advantage. Cheap dyed window tint actually makes your cabin hotter, trapping heat like a greenhouse. Ceramic tint, on the other hand, blocks up to 80% of infrared heat, making your AC's job way easier. It pays for itself in fuel savings within months. 5. Reflective sunshades on side windows. Don't just use a sunshade on your windshield. Place reflective shades on your side windows too. Position them on the outside when possible for a thermal barrier effect. This can drop cabin temperature by an extra 15 degrees. 6. Sunroof heat trap solution. If you've got a sunroof, you know how hot it gets. Adding a reflective sunroof shade or insulating cover can slash interior heat, so your AC cools twice as fast. Now, let's talk about how you can work smarter with your AC controls. 7. Fan speed timing trick. Here's the science. Blasting the fan at max immediately just pushes hot air around. Start with recirculate mode at low fan speed for 2 minutes, then increase gradually. This cools your cabin faster and protects your compressor. 8. Eco mode off on hot days. Think eco mode helps? Not for your AC. Many cars reduce compressor power in eco mode. Switch it off in extreme heat for maximum cooling power. Running your AC for just 10 minutes every couple of weeks, even in winter, circulates oil, keeps seals flexible, and prevents $800 compressor failures. Fleet managers swear by this trick to extend AC life by years. 10. Cabin air filter replacement. A clogged cabin filter can cut airflow by 50%. If your filter looks gray or black instead of white, it's suffocating your AC. Replace it every 12,000 miles for instant airflow improvement. Hot air sneaking through bad door seals is a silent AC killer. Replacing worn weather stripping not only keeps your car cooler, but also reduces road noise. 12. Battery and alternator health. Your AC relies on electrical power. A weak battery or alternator means your blower and compressor aren't performing at full strength. Keeping your electrical system healthy makes your AC colder. Section 4. Advanced tricks. 13. Disinfect AC intake with spray. Got a musty smell when AC starts? That's mold and bacteria choking your system. With the AC running on recirculate, spray disinfectant directly into the intake vents for 10-15 seconds. It boosts airflow by up to 20%. 14. Condenser cleaning hack. That radiator-like piece in front of your engine. That's the condenser, and it's probably clogged with bugs and dirt. Spray it gently with a garden hose from inside out, and boom, your AC instantly feels brand new. Mechanics charge $200 for this simple job. DIY refrigerant gauge test. For under $30, you can buy a pressure gauge kit. A quick test tells you if refrigerant is low before it destroys your compressor. It's like a checkup for your AC's lungs. 16. Floor vent blast. Here's a physics hack. Cold air sinks. Start with your floor vents blasting for the first 3 minutes, then switch to dashboard vents. The cabin cools more evenly and much quicker. Section 5. Insider secrets. 17. Recirculation mode mastery. Don't leave your AC on fresh air in summer heat. Switch to recirculate after pre-cooling. It chills already cooled air, boosting efficiency by up to 30%. 18. Vent direction science. Point your AC vents upward, not at your face. Cold air naturally sinks, creating circulation that drops cabin temperature 15% faster. 19. System reset trick. Modern cars have electronic modules that sometimes get confused. Try this reset. Turn your car off for 10 minutes. Restart. Set AC to cold with low fan for 3 minutes. Then slowly increase fan speed. This often restores lost cooling power. 20. Pre-cool and seal technique. Before switching to recirculate, drive with windows cracked and AC on fresh air for 1 to 2 minutes. This flushes out oven hot air. Then seal up and enjoy ice-cold efficiency. So there you have it. 20 powerful AC hacks that can make your car blow twice as cold and save you hundreds of dollars in the process. Some are simple, others are advanced, but all of them work together to keep you cool and comfortable. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, subscribe for more insider car secrets, and let me know in the comments which trick you're trying first. And don't stop here, I've got another video full of car hacks that could save you thousands in repairs. Click right here and check it out.